to the next one. There's some spots that kind of need it. Look at the bag. Let's go. Oh, this could be trimmed right here. Bag's pretty short too. Got this yard last week, but didn't mow it last week because it was super short. This week is super short again. So on these yards, I usually just charge for the gas, $10 gas. Come out here. Nothing in there. Nice ladder. This house is vacant. I get a lot of vacants. I just trim it, call it good actually. No, actually, it ain't even that bad. So we'll try again next week after that. So I'll just charge the 10 for gas on this one. On to the next one. Hey, don't say nothing about my alignment, man. Gas gauge don't work. We're all over the town and our gas gauge don't work. That's tough. Can't even see out the mirror. So we got a little house like in the back. There's a house up front and there's a house to the left behind that house. So there's like 3 houses all in that one lot, but I seen 2 dogs back there, so I'm just charged for gas to come back next week. Oh, there they are. There's a dog. That's that one dog.
You guys come here often?
Every other week. We've been here twice now.
I was just gonna say, take a peek in the backyard. I've been running off some homeless folks.
Okay, you think they're going inside?
Not yet, but
Not
they
yet.
did last year when it was zilly.
Okay, yeah, I definitely will. So I appreciate that.
Yeah,
So
bro.
thank you. Somebody's in there? They are. The neighbor told me he sees people over here. Hello. If you're in here, you're not supposed to be. Nothing? Yeah.
That's all I'll do.
For real. Play it off.
Just take all those out so that when somebody does it,
Or when they open it, oh, and then run out. I guess they ain't doing that. How's that like?
so I was on this and
Oh, what? They did a shit job repairing around it. I'm gonna have to turn it
oh,
up.
wait, turn it off. Wow.
For real. The hell?
Check that one too.
Huh.
Fuck.
Fuck it. No one in there this time. I don't think my key does the talking. No. The reason we went in that one is because the neighbor told us he's seen some hobos in the backyard, and we caught a lady there a couple of times ago. So see, we mowed it, checked the inside, and it's all good. We're going to the next one. That was our 18th one for today. It's 3:17. Started about 9:30, and we made a couple stops. Just been lollygagging. So 18's pretty good in a day of messing around. Thanks for watching. If you guys like this type of content, let me know down in the comments down in the comments below. And I'll definitely make some more videos before the season's over. Just let me know, guys. Peace.